Hey everyone, today we're looking at a 2019 Yamaha MT-09 in blue. This is a super fun bike to ride, extremely torquey. We've got the little wind kicker on the front, bar end mirrors that are adjustable. This bike does have ABS front and rear. We also have the axle sliders. The rear axle sliders double as pivot points for a rear stand as well. Really bright LED taillights and a more flush mount turn signal than the floppy stock ones. And the odometer is really low. We are at 428. This bike hasn't even been completely broken in yet. Again, 2019 Yamaha MT-09. Come check it out. We are open for test rides 6 days a week.